we're off to Blue Water Shopping Centre to buy a Tesla. So you guys joining us now, we're on the road down to Dartford, down to Blue Water Shopping Centre. So, bit of background on this, the car isn't actually for me. Part of my other business that we've got is sales side. So we've got a couple of sales guys who both opted to go full EV. So this is why we're going down to pick up the Tesla. So, colour-wise, blue.
Electric blue, you reckon? EV blue?
Tesla blue.
Tesla blue?
Tesla blue.
I don't actually know what the name of the colour is,
No. So,
it's like a dark blue though, isn't it? It's like that metallic blue.
Yeah, it's quite a dark blue. It'll be interesting to put it back on the light tunnel and actually see what the finish is like from factory. I think so far it's a little bit more akin to ordering white goods. Literally just went online, picked the colour, picked the spec and wheels and paid for it.
I mean, so far, you're supposedly picking up from a car park, right?
I think so, yes. But that's Blue Water Shopping Centre.
Do you actually have to deal with anyone? Is anyone going to hand it over to you?
Like, surely there's like a Tesla,
or is there like a lock and key?
I don't know.
Or have you just left the key on the wheel?
I don't know. But apparently it's contactless pickup, whatever that means.
Weird,
so all I know, I've had a couple of text messages and I've downloaded an app.
That's so strange, isn't it?
And I've had a phone call to say, am I coming? And it should have a minimum of 30% charge. But there's a charge point just around the corner, so that'll be interesting as well. We'll figure it all out.
Hopefully some food.
How many men does it take to pick up a car? Apparently 3. So, yeah.
To pick them up and one to take some photos.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, we'll more to come when we get there.
I'd have definitely got lost twice if it weren't for you guys.
You can take the boy out of Norfolk, but you can't take Norfolk out of the boy.
You can't take the boy out of Norfolk, I tell ya. Freaky.
Where are all them horses parked up?
Where's all the fucking pigs?
Whose horse is that?
Left here.
Left here.
Oh.
Service area.
Oh, I don't know about that.
No cars, mate. What are you going left here for,
You
Travis?
just told me to go left there.
To be fair, it did say on the sat nav here.
It is here, isn't it?
It must just say like car park.
I'm coming now!
Right, the yellow Lower Plaza car park. Here we go, what we got here, look. Lower Guildhall, Middle Guildhall, Upper Guildhall.
Lower Rose Gallery. What are we looking
Maybe it's the other way.
All the Teslas.
for? Mind you, none of that camera's any bloody good. Right, this is rant cam. Go!
Tesla, put some signs up, Jesus. Ridiculous.
Mate, that was pretty shocking actually.
We must have gone around about 10 roundabouts.
Yeah, and then there was one like...
One sign outside the entrance.
Yeah, literally.
In the back end of nowhere.
Yeah.
What do you think, Connor?
Well, we're here and there's a lot of Teslas, so...
There are a lot of Teslas.
I nearly just took the front end of that Tesla out.
Doesn't take a lot, does it though, Chav?
No, it doesn't. Mate.
So
what's the process? What are we doing now?
Presumably, we now go find a dude or dudette with a Tesla jumper and give them my driver's license.
And drive away with a Tesla?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Let's go in.
Go figure it out. So I'm wearing a bib.
No, it rains.
I feel like
you're wearing rains.
You remember when,
Come
like,
on, Robin.
when your missus is breastfeeding and she got those like maternity
You got like a
bras.
dad boob on. You got a doob on. So something a little bit different today. Me, Rob and Connor are here picking up Rob's new Tesla, as he's got 2 of these through Marine Industrial. So yeah, we're just
Gonna check the paint out on there. Can I drive it? Ludicrous mode.
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
Does it do the dancing, the flappy doors?
No,
Oh,
that's
not
the
that
X,
one.
isn't it? So,
oh, is it?
Yeah. So yeah.
So yeah, I mean, like we're just in some random car park.
Blue Water Shopping Centre.
Yeah. So this is a bit weird.
Eventually found it.
There's a blue one over there.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys.
Who do you speak to?
When we get older, but
Doesn't even say.
Customer collection parking over.
legit never seen so many Teslas in my life. The car behind us here.
Oh, there's over here, Rob, over here.
Here we go, look.
Tesla Centre. There's so many people here, like just.
I love the
grabbing a
signs.
Tesla.
I love how many signs there are. There's like so many signs. It's unreal.
Is that sarcasm?
Like we found this so easy.
You really didn't.
How much are you supposed to get
Hi guys, you here to collect?
Yes, I am. Yes.
How are you?
All right. You?
Good, good.
So how many handovers are you doing a day here at the minute?
Today not as many, we've got about maybe 50 today, but towards the end of next week I think we're doing about 250 a day, so
A day?
lot. Yeah. It's going to really ramp up. And there's usually, you've actually come when it's quite quiet, there's usually 2 or 3 trucks in the car park as well that are offloading them, so some
Really?
go and then we get more in, so it's non-stop, yeah. Very much.
so many old ones.
Is this your first Tesla? Have you,
Yes,
Have
yeah.
you done a test drive?
No.
Okay, you'll be fine, don't worry. Super easy. We'll show you how to use the spare keys. And it's just, it drives like any other automatic car in terms of the gears and everything. But when you get in it, you'll notice it's not a regular car.
No.
Super cool.
Have you got one?
I haven't. Hopefully in the
Yeah.
future. I'm driving an old Clio just now, so when I drive these around all day, I'm living life. Great. Then I get in an old Clio to go home and I'm like, oh, so frustrating, changing gears and all that. Excellent, so that's everything done at this side. And if you've got the Tesla app, you should see the car appearing on the app in the next 5-10 minutes or so. It should pop on automatically.
Okay, cool.
If it doesn't, just go to the main menu at the top, the little person icon, sign out and sign back in. And that
there.
should push the car. Beautiful, great.
Wow.
So where are we? Row R1.
That's crazy.
So you're going to look for your car in row R. You'll see the markings above here, N, O. It's in the first row of row R, and these are the spare keys that you'll get.
Okay.
I'll just show you briefly. The spare keys, you get 2 of them and they're just the size of little credit cards. So once you're whoever it is that's going to be driving, once they set their phone up as the key on the app, just make sure that they keep a spare key with them at all times. Handy just to keep in their wallet just in case the phone battery dies.
Okay.
And to use the spare key on the car, you'll see just below the driver's side door there on the left, you'll see the little camera.
Yeah.
You hold the spare key just below that and that locks and unlocks the car.
Okay.
And to drive with the spare key, in order to start the car, get in, sit down, and you'll see the 2 cup holders on the left. Just pop the keys behind the 2 cup holders and that allows you to start the car.
Okay.
If you don't do that, don't worry, when you try and put it in to drive, it will remind you to do so. Yeah. But apart from that, it's pretty easy, self-explanatory.
Yeah.
My name's Lindsay.
All right, Lindsay.
Anything at all, come back. I'm happy to help you.
Brilliant.
But you should be fine. If you want to charge the car up a wee bit more, you'll see the superchargers just in a line over there.
Okay.
Just drive over and connect, and whatever card you use to pay your £100 reservation fee is the card that will be charged for the supercharger.
Perfect.
It's dead simple. But there's your keys. Congratulations.
Smashing. Thank you
and just
very
walk
much.
down that way to row R, and it's in the first row there.
Here it is.
Here's your Tesla. What's the paint like, Trav?
Has he got his little light out yet?
Oh, it's got some swirls on.
Has he got his light
It's got some
out,
swirls
yeah.
on the bonnet.
Cool, yeah, bloody hell.
Give that a bit of a machine, wouldn't you?
Mate, legit.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Yeah. Oh my lord.
Yeah. Not joking.
Just the standard aero wheels.
You can take them off as well,
Mate,
can't you?
overall look at the car though. It's cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
Actually, to be fair, I really like colour as well.
Do you?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
I do. I thought
Yeah.
it would be a dull, but
Yeah,
Tesla
to
it's
be
not,
fair, mate,
is it?
actually, I don't know whether I'd prefer over a white one.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's cool, then. Let's get into
It's
it.
really nice.
Come on then. Let's fire it up.
Let's hear the sound of it. It's like that scream, that.
But it's just like, it's like going to Dixon's and buying a washing machine.
Yeah.
A little bit, isn't it? Not that I'm...
Tesla
Sorry, Elon. Please don't take that offensively. But it is a little bit... No, it is. I mean, you think about it. You've just gone online. You've ticked a few boxes. You've paid your money. You've had a text message saying, be here at this date on this time.
Yeah. No
There are
salesman.
your keys. Off you go.
So this process
So-
has cut out salesman, like handover, hasn't it?
Should we jump in and see what it's like?
Yeah.
I got the rain noise in here to send me to sleep. Someone put heated seats on for me. Heat the steering wheel. But do you know what the do you know what the weird thing is? I just want to start it up.
Yeah.
I'm like,
What's that noise?
I think it's the radio.
You can preheat them, can't you? Like from in your house,
Yeah.
like through the app and stuff.
These seats look lovely as well.
Yeah, jump in.
What's it like driving a Tesla? Rob, you're stunned, mate.
I'm looking for the dashboard, but there isn't one. Is there?
Yeah, it's weird. I bet
It's
that's
just
well
all on
weird.
the
Oh, is your speedo on there and everything?
everything.
Where's your speed?
There, yeah.
Oh, wow. This is surreal, isn't it, really?
It's literally all off an iPad.
People say that the build quality isn't great inside, but... Oh, okay, I think I broke it. Oh, no, it's not. You push it.
That's amazing. Right guys, so that pretty much wraps up the overall experience of what it's like to buy a Tesla in 2022. Overall, I would say, I guess I'm buying this for a colleague of mine. It's going to be a company car, so the whole experience.
Yeah, I don't want to sound whingy,
No.
dear, but you can't help but feel like the overall experience was a bit poor.
Really, I mean, the inside's pretty dirty, the outside's covered in scratches.
Literally, like
There was no real signposting of where to go. I think when you're spending 50 grand
and
your
you're
own
picking
money
up, yeah, and you're picking a car up in a car park.
for your daily, I think, yeah,
Literally,
picking it up at a car
It's like a
park,
second-hand car sale, isn't it? Almost, but
it's just, I would say it's disappointing for that
Yeah.
level of value
yeah.
of car. So yeah, overall I'd say pretty disappointed.
Yeah.
It's pretty dirty, there's like a lot of mud on the outside of the car as well. And little things, again,
Go on, sir.
it's GTI. Giving it the big licks, buddy.
Golf boys.
So yeah, but anyway, it's a bit of a fun video for us. We weren't expecting to do this, but
Yeah, a
it's
bit of a
like-
random one. We thought, you know, we'd take you guys out of the workshop a little bit and get you involved in what sort of goes on outside the workshop, because we don't want it to be completely workshop based, do we?
So I hope you've liked this video. If you have, make sure you keep subscribed to the channel with loads more content coming up soon,
Give us a thumbs up on this video as well.
and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.